Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm driving home with a thundercloud plum in the back of the truck. That's Lydia's Mother's Day present. We're going to plant that in the front yard. The only one in Kalamazoo County. Hard to believe, but it's the only one in Kalamazoo County. Glad I found a good one. Driving by the Gull Lake Dam, and I see that they've got the topsoil spread on the west side of the dam pretty much complete. Looks like they left a working spot without having everything all leveled out. And on the right hand side, they got it almost done. So it's looking really, really good.